The judges asked government lawyers to prove that the new executive order is not targeting Muslims.
Has the president ever disavowed his campaign statements? Has he ever stood up and said, I said before I wanted to ban all members of the Islamic faith from entering the United States of America. I was wrong. I've consulted with lawyers. I'm now addressing it simply to security needs.
A solicitor representing the administration pointed out that President Trump only asked for a 90-day delay to ascertain that the visa applicants from the listed countries were vetted properly.
So he wasn't saying, I find that it would be detrimental because they're all dangerous or they all are potential terrorists or anything like that. He was saying in the face of uncertainty about whether we're getting good information from their governments so that we can screen them out in the visa process, I'm going to put a temporary hold subject to the visa waiver.
Opponents say the revised ban is no better than the original January version, which the courts have struck down.
But when the president himself says, I'd like to go back to the first one, which was also part of that statement, I mean, it sort of undermines all those claims about how this is a whole new thing, and it's, you know, I've fixed the problems and all that. So yeah, it's a very problematic statement.
Hawaii's Attorney General said his state is challenging the ban as unconstitutional.
What we're saying is that it's not so much that President Trump is being politically correct or refusing to be politically correct. It's that he's not being correct when it comes to the Constitution.
The panel had not made a decision on Monday. If the administration cannot defend the ban against challengers, the dispute is expected to go before the Supreme Court. Zlatica, Hoke, VOA News, Washington.